channel. So today we are going to perform an experiment of verification of logic gates using IC application. So by watching this video you will get in clarity about how to connect multiple connections for OR gate, AND gate, NAND gate, NOR gate using an IC trainer kit. So coming to the circuit diagram, so here this is an 14-bit IC. So all the connections are already given inside. Here you are going to have OR gate 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 OR gates are inserted in this 14-bit IC. So this is the circuit diagram, the pin diagram of AND gate. Now let us try to verify. So here we are going to have the logical operations, how to connect. This is the power unit. So first let us try to verify OR gate. Already we know the truth table of OR gate is if any one input is 1, if any one input is 1, automatically the output is 1. Okay, now let us try to verify. So this is the input. So this input 1 I am connecting to, so first 1, okay, which is nothing but input, and next input, in order to differentiate, I am connecting with an black color probe. So here you can see here 1 and 2 I have been connected the input, and output I am going to take of the OR gate with the help of this patch cord. So here the output I connected, in order to indicate the output I had connected to an output which is nothing but logical indicators. Now you can see the circuit diagram. So this is A value, this is B value. So A and B is there. So now first give the supply to the board. As soon as you give the supply, the LED starts glowing. You can see here both are 0. So 0 means the lights will not glow. Both are of 0 logic, automatically output is of 0 logic. Now you can see here this is 0 and this is 1. How to make it 1? Logic 1 is just push it up. Whenever one input is 1, automatically output is 1. Here you can verify in the table. So next one, keep to 0. Next A is 1. When A is 1, automatically one input is 1, output is 1. This is the functionality of OR gate. Now again here you can see here both are 1. So A is 1, B is 1, automatically output is 1. This is how we can verify the OR gate using an digital IC. So in this IC, how many OR gates are there means 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you can see here 3 terminals are used. Okay, 3, 4 jar 12 terminals. Okay, and remaining 2 terminals are there. That in that you can see the circuit diagram. So 7th one we are connecting to the ground, and 7th one we are connecting to the ground, and 14th one we are going to connect to the supply. So 12 plus 2 total is, this is a 14-bit IC. Okay, so similarly for every gate you have an 14-bit IC of OR gate, AND gate, NAND gate, NOR gate, exclusive OR gate and NAND gate. So successfully we completed the verification of OR gate using an digital IC application. Now let us try to go ahead. So after completing the operation, keep to the original position, keep both in off condition. Okay, and you see here this output we are removing. Now let us try to verify the next input, which is nothing but AND gate. In AND gate the logic is if both are 1, then only output is 1. AND gate is similar to that of an electrical connection of a series connection, where OR gate is similar to that of an parallel. In parallel, if any one switch is on, automatic output is 1. But AND gate is similar to that of an series connection. If both switches are on, then only output is 1. Let's try to verify. So just remove the terminals. So OR gate is completed. Next we are performing AND gate. So in AND gate, how many inputs we are having? 2 inputs and 1 output. Okay, so input 1 I am going to connect with one red color probe, and the next input I am going to connect with black color, which is already there. So and output is there. Okay, output is white colored one, connected to 3, and you connect to the logical indication. Now you can see the truth table. We have to verify this truth table. Both inputs are 0. Here you can see here both the inputs are 0 logic, output is also 0. So this is verified. Next A is 1, B is 1. So B should be 1. So now B is 1, but output is not glowing. So here also the same is verified. And next coming to here, A is 1 and B is 0 and output will not glow. Okay, now what is the logic of an AND gate? Series means both switches should be on. When both are on, automatically output is on. So this is how to verify the AND gate. Similarly, generally people will do for multiple AND gates in the same IC, but we are doing verification directly by using only one AND gate of this IC. So each IC has a specific number that can be used for individual gates. So after completing our experiment, keep in the off condition and remove the supply. Now let us try to verify the next gate, which is nothing but NOT gate. NOT gate means is nothing like negation gate. So negation gate is, you see here. So here you will just remove the output. Negation requires only one input, so this is nothing but negation IC. So input directly from this logical switches connect to input 1 and output is there, take the output here and connect to logical operation. Okay, so just give the supply. Now logic is how much? 0. Negation, 0 negation is how much? 1. You can see the diagram also. Input is 0, output is 1. Now as soon as you give the input as 1, output is 0. That's how the NOT gate is verified. In the NOT gate also you are going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 NOT gates are available in this IC. So this is how we can verify OR gate, AND gate and NOR gate. Okay, so thank you for your time. The remaining gates we'll see in the next video.